Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to scan QR code in Facebook, and now let's dive right in. Now to scan your QR code in Facebook, first open up your Facebook app on your phone. And after opening your Facebook app, guys, we will be required to search for the QR code scanner on the Facebook. So to do that, tap on the search icon at the top right corner of the screen, or the magnifying glass icon at the top right, and you'll be required to search for QR code and search for it. And you can see, guys, the QR code scanner is at the top of the screen. Tap on the QR code, and this is the QR code scanner of your Facebook, guys. You can see you can also import from gallery if you want to. Align your QR code within the frame to scan your recess, guys. After you have aligned your QR code within the frame, your QR code will be scanned on Facebook. Here's your mic, here's your code also, guys, if you want to share your code. And with that being done, guys, this is how you will be able to scan your QR code in Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.